செல்போன் பயன்பாடு மாணவர்களை எப்படி பாடாய்படுத்துகிறதை என்பதை நம் மாணவர்கள் ஆங்கில மொழியில் நடித்து காட்ட வருகிறார்கள். இது உங்கள் முன்.
Hello everyone, I am Akshay. I am the team leader of Techno Guys. Today we are going to do a skit about science and technology. Let's go into the video. Go, go, go. Killing, killing. Go to the doctor. Hide him, hide him.
Son, what is this, da? You are going here and there gracefully with your phone.
Don't interrupt me. I am playing Free Fire.
Oh my God! Whenever I hear this Free Fire, my stomach is firing, da.
Dad, don't disturb me. If you want to discuss with me anything important, you just WhatsApp me.
I came to ask for your dirty clothes to wash, da. Did I need to WhatsApp with this?
Don't disturb me for the silly things. I am in goal 4.
Outside there is cyclone, da. Come and see outside.
Please send the pictures of them to my WhatsApp. I will post on FB. I will get likes.
There will be power cut for 2 days, my dear son.
Oh my God, my mobile phone is switched off and power bank also charged out. Oh God, what am I going to do? What the hell is this? My hands are shivering. I can't live without my phone. My phone, my phone, my game.
My son needs treatment. I have to take him to a good doctor. Sir, my son needs your advice. He is addicted to the cell phone.
No, no, no. I don't want anyone's advice. Please give a CPIN charger.
Oh, that's a problem? Okay, I will treat him and send home. You can leave now, sir. Okay, you will message me or make me a call, sir? First of all, you switch off your mobile phone, sir. Your son will be recovered. What's your name, dear?
Hello, sir. I am Akshay_rocks.
Underscore and rocks was named by your parents?
No, sir. My parents named us Akshay and my Insta ID is Akshay_rocks. You can also call me like this.
I'm clear now. Sister, send out patients to my room. Everyone, sir, here a patient need a shock treatment. So send everyone.
Doctor, who all are they?
They are my recent patients on treatment.
Sir, why that man speaking alone?
Hi dude, my office work is over. I'm ready for the next project. You can email me. I'm so glad. Please wait, my wife is online. Please forgive me. I'm coming home. I am on the way. There is a buffalo on the way.
What's he saying, sir?
He has used his Bluetooth unconditionally, becomes crazy towards it. Now, without using his headset, also he speaks like this.
I also using Bluetooth, sir. When I also.
Definitely, for sure.
Sir, why that boy faces like that? And what happened to his face?
Hey dude, come on, let's take a selfie, come on.
Sir, why he is hitting me, sir? Tell him to leave me, sir. He is crushing me, sir.
Actually, he takes too many selfies by making this type of funny faces, and so his face become like this.
I can't imagine my face to become like this. And what about this guy, sir?
He is a messenger mental.
I can't understand, sir.
You just talk to him, you will understand.
Hi, friend. How are you?
I am FINE WITAVYTYOUMYDEAR
What?
He just say, I'm fine. What about you, my dear friend?
Oh, he speaks as
will not leave you. I will kill you. Come on, guys, catch him, catch him.
Sir, I am afraid. Will I also become like him?
Definitely, definitely. No, Akshay, it's not too late. If you understand the complication of using mobile phone and using them correctly, you will not become like this.
Thank you.
அறிவியல் தொழில்நுட்பம் மனித வாழ்க்கையில் பெரும் பங்கு வகிக்கிறது. அதன் நன்மைகளை முழுமையாக பயன்படுத்திக் கொள்வதிலும் தீமைகளை குறைப்பதிலும் நாம் கவனமாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என்பதை ஆங்கில மொழியில் உணர்த்தியதற்கு மிக்க நன்றி.